Welcome back all, I'm Cindy, and today we're going to paint a loose flower doodle, and this is the first one that'll be in a series. I used Arch's watercolor paper, and I also used Holbein watercolor paint, and I also used Brusho, and I'm listing my Brusho powders down below. So when I started this painting off, I sprinkled Brusho onto the paper. The paper was dry, and then I take my water and I'm squirting the Brusho powder that's on the paper, and I'm working that around a little bit so I can create different flowers or textures. This is a very, very loose and abstract type of painting, and I am one who is teaching myself how to do a looser art. Brusho has been a fun way for me to be able to get the loose part of me out. I don't know how to say that, but I like to paint very realistic, and I will always do that. But I want to be able to pick up some fun projects and share them with others, and Brusho has been wonderful. So here I'm adding a little bit of green in. See how I just sprinkle that, and I spray it and dab a little bit, and Brusho is just amazing. The colors that are in there, how it spreads around. I can dab it up if I want it to stop spreading. It's just a lot of fun. After adding my base for my Brusho, I put the browns at the bottom, some dark greens. I'm using some splattering techniques right now where I'm just taking some thicker paint and I'm putting it on the end of a brush. Usually I'll tap my brush onto another brush so I can splatter things. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more abstractness into this painting by just adding a little bit more color into where these purple flowers are. And I'm giving the impression of an iris. I am not painting them exact. Next thing that I'm doing is I'm just looking at the blobs of the orange that are in this painting, and I'm just trying to picture and imagine how might the center of those flowers look. What regular paint, this is Holbein paint that I'm using, can I add in? And as soon as I finish these details off, what I'm going to do is use my Micron pen, and I'm going to start to add the doodle in for it. These make wonderful cards to send people. I have some cards that I can insert a 4x6 painting like this one, and then I can send it to a friend. They can keep it in the card, keep it framed, they can frame it separately, and sometimes I will make prints of these types of watercolors, and then I'll sell them as cards as well. So be sure to check my web page out. It's cindywilliamsartist.com, and you'll see that in my videos as well and down below. So I'm going to use my Micron pen, and I'm going to finish this this picture up. And be sure to hit like it to subscribe or to let me know what you think or what you would like me to paint. Follow me on Instagram, but share with me your artwork. I would love to see what you're doing. Instagram is one way how people are starting to share with me what their paintings look like when they're following along. Again, this is a great paint party picture. And when I finish up here, I'm going to show you the painting, and I'm going to show you 2 more doodle arts that are going to be coming up and videos that you can watch. So I just encourage you, buy some supplies with your friends, share them, get together, do a paint party. This was created during the time of COVID, and I wanted to create just some fun projects that people could get together to do, and then give these away as gifts if you want to. So I was so thankful to have you guys with me here today. I do look forward to seeing you here the next time. Take a look at these other projects that are coming up, and I look forward to seeing you next time.